Okay, first impressions of this, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Okay, got this late yesterday, first flight for a job this morning. So just very quick read up. It's not that dissimilar to the Mavic 3, but first impressions. Okay, so I can only do flight quality because I haven't had a chance to look at the footage. I've just arrived in from doing my job this morning. A little bit disappointed with speed. It struggled to keep up. It's filming a vehicle that was only doing 30 miles an hour, and even the sports mode it wasn't keeping up for some strange reason. Also, when you tilt the camera into portrait mode, it's got the smallest of downward tilts. So I was very disappointed with that. So the Mini 3 Pro does a better job of that, unfortunately. So hopefully they'll sort that out. So it must be to do with the way the gimbal's set up, but it can't go very far down. Certainly can't look straight down, which is a bit rubbish. So some great things. You get an amazing image from the cameras on top of around the drone, in the little sort of bottom right hand corner picture where normally you would have a map of the area you're flying in. You can actually have a bit like your car reversing camera, which I didn't realise, so that was cool. But we'll get the footage uploaded, see what the quality's like. But yeah, speed, not very good at all. In sport mode, slow as you like. So it really didn't. I had to get out my Mini and my Mavic 3 to do the faster shots today. So that's a wee bit disappointing. As far as the new Pro 2 controller, very nice. Nits 2000, Nit 2004, the brightness, so like very bright sunshine here today in beautiful Cornwall, UK. Could see that no problems at all. So pleased with that. Just got a bit more learning. Need to get some of the buttons that you can put to specific functions, set that all up. I haven't done that, but kind of pleased with that. Speed of this not so good, and tilt of the image in portrait very poor. But I'm sure there's lots I'm going to like, especially when I see the footage in a minute. Thank you for watching. Any questions, let me know. Cheers.